Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home, your go-to platform for discovering creative ways to make money online. So today we're going to dive into something festive, fun, and incredibly profitable. And this will be starting your own online holiday shop all by yourself within minutes. So we know that the holidays are right around the corner, and online holiday sales grow every year by 10%. So there's no better time to tap into the market of personalized holiday cards. So stick around and I'm going to show you why this is the perfect side hustle to kick off now, and how you can get set up actually in minutes, and how you can turn this into a year-round business. So you guys know that we've been talking a lot about overconsumption, how every holiday season just seems to be pushing us to spend more, buy more, and even forget the meaning behind what we're actually celebrating. So instead of overspending this year, I just want to show you a creative and meaningful way that you can give without giving into all of the hype. Okay, so let's get started just talking about numbers. Did you know that last year, shoppers spent an average of $1,548 per household during the holidays, and nearly 60% of them actually discovered new products through social media. This all means that there is a massive audience looking for different, unique, thoughtful gifts, like customized holiday cards and even calendars that fit their particular budget. But here's the kicker: you don't need any upfront investment, you don't need any inventory or even design experience to get started. With print-on-demand services, all you need is your creativity or lack thereof, and they basically handle all of the rest: the printing, the shipping, and even the customer service. So the holidays are all about connection and thoughtfulness, and that's why personalized products are so popular. Actually, 78% of consumers say that they're more likely to buy a product that feels more personal and evokes an emotional connection. And just think about it. A custom holiday card with a family photo or a calendar featuring maybe cute pet designs can be deeply meaningful, and that is exactly what people are looking for. Plus, with searches for personalized gifts online that are peaking between the month of October and December, now is the best time to jump in. So first up, decide what kind of holiday products that you want to offer. There are popular themes this year that include cozy winter vibes, retro vibes, and even pet holidays. For example, you could create family photo cards, pet themed calendars, and even inspirational or minimalist holiday designs. So finding a niche is actually going to help you stand out and attract the right audience. So the next thing is to create designs. And even if you're not a designer, tools like Kittl make it so easy to create beautiful visuals. You can also even hire a freelancer from platforms like Fiverr to bring more of your ideas to life. And what I love about Kittl is that they have their own done-for-you templates. So you can basically choose a template, customize it a little bit, and use it for your card. So jumping on the Kittl website, I'm just going to put in Christmas cards and see what pops up. Wow, so as you can see, Kittl already has a few templates, quite a few templates here, already done for you templates where they have the entire Christmas design work done for you. So you can practically take that and use it for your online store, or you can tweak it a little bit. I definitely want to tweak mine, but I'm just so amazed by the selection, the library of different designs that are cute. Also, they have a lot of traditional designs, fun-loving designs, quirky designs. I love these so much. So what I want to do first is jump on to ChatGPT and get some kind of funny saying going. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, please provide me with a funny or quirky saying that I can put on my Christmas card. And look at this. These are all of the amazing selections that she gave us. I'm already seeing a few that I like. Let's just scroll all the way up here. Okay, so the first one is my favorite. Slay my name, slay my name. Like how creative is that? They also have other things here that are quite funny, eye-catching. I think that a lot of people would gravitate to these sayings because they're comical, they're not so stuffy. So if you're someone who wants to put a smile on someone else's face, then these are sayings that would definitely pop on a card. So I'm going to choose a template here that I don't have to do too much design work with, and that would actually hold that saying, slay my name, well. I want it to look, well done, creatively done, quality filled as well. So just browsing around, I see so many different things, but it has to be where I can add that quirk, that layer of quirk and comic. I love this Christmas sweater design, but that's not exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, you know what? I like this design right here, the Jewel Noel, Merry Christmas. It's like in a form of a Christmas tree. I think that might work depending on how I do the fonts, right? So there's different ways that you can do the fonts. I love Kindle because they give you the opportunity to edit, to enlarge the fonts, to change the style of the fonts, to create a texture to the fonts. You can even change the color of the fonts to make it more of your style, or at least the style of the audience that you are appealing to. So we're keeping with that Christmas tree shape that the template already had, because I truly like what that looked like. But first I'm just going to get the wording out and then resize these the font so that it is in the shape of that Christmas tree. So I'll say, slay my name, Merry Christmas. I do want to see what they have here for like the images, like what graphics they have that I can actually add on top of this Christmas tree card. They have so many graphics here. I like this. Oh, this is cute. Candy cane. It goes with the color scheme for sure, but it's not quite what I want. So I'm going to delete that. And let me see here. These are cute. I like this bow. The bow would be great for the top of the tree. Just to kind of add that the pop. That's cute. But let me see if they have anything else that might complement this image a little better. You know what? I think I like that. That's cute. It adds a little shimmer and shine to the card. So I'm going to use that, resize it, and put it up top as my Christmas tree star. And I'll do away with the bow for now. Okay, so time to edit this text. Time to make it pop, make it shine, make it exactly what I want. So first I need to... Oh, wait a minute. Do you see that? Listen, I love a creative moment where the font takes on a different shape. That is actually really cool. It stands out. It makes the card more, I don't know, it looks more like something that I would love, and it's something more personalized. It's not just the standard boring triangle shape, which we will keep too, but the triangle shape can be done with like slanted font like that, right? So I'm going to do that to all of my slay my name fonts, and I want to make the font bigger, so I will go ahead and just increase by clicking on this arrow right here so that we get that shape, right? I will increase the size of that font. This one here needs to be a little bigger so that it is obvious that it's taking on the shape of the Christmas tree. Just slightly giving a little space in between the wording so that it is readable. And with this Christmas, yes! Okay, listen! I love it. I love this so much. Would you purchase this? I would totally purchase this. And if someone purchased it for me, I would be so excited and happy. So yes, I'm going to grab all of this font that I have here and just reposition it so that it's not so top heavy and that the wording is equally spaced out and it's easy to read and not so like jarring to the eye. I'm just a little bit of a perfectionist when it comes to visual stuff, so that's definitely something that's important to me, that everything balances out visually. Oh, I love this. Listen, okay? I love this so much. Okay, so now that we know what it looks like here, you can just kind of toy around with it, make sure that it is suitable, but I am so in love. So what I do want to do is just reposition these ornaments so that the words shine and that there's nothing kind of blocking the wording here. And I think that looks okay. I think that's just fine, just bringing it down just a bit. That's good. I love it. Okay, so now that we have our image, we can save it. So I'm going to save it with 300 dpi. That gives us the best quality possible as we are downloading it and using it on a different platform. So this is where Printify comes in. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that lets you design and sell custom products, including beautiful personalized holiday cards, without needing to order in bulk or even have any design experience. So you can create your cards, upload your own photos or artwork, and Printify basically handles the printing and shipping for you. So whether you want to send thoughtful cards to family and friends, or you want to turn your creativity into a small seasonal side hustle, Printify gives you the tools to do it easily and affordably right from your laptop. So if you're still not convinced, let me share some quick success stories that I found here online. So here's a shop that I found to be very interesting. This shop is the Ritzy Rose, and I love that she or he features a lot of whimsical, comical designs, like this one here, Santa Claus with like tattoos, caters to, I guess, kind of the younger millennial crowd as well. The dinosaur design looks really cool and festive, and I love that they incorporate a lot of funny fonts like deck yourself before you wreck yourself and chilling with my nomies. That seems to be really something that works very well for this particular store, and I would say it works very well for them because they have already sold over 400 of these Christmas greeting cards, and this has generated over $14,000 for their shop. Another shop that seems to be taking on the similar trend is this one here, and this shop is Modern Printed Matter. This shop sells a lot of whimsical cards that are just not taken to be taken seriously, basically. So this shop has generated over 14,000 sales, and this has turned into $29,800 in revenue for the complete lifetime of this particular online shop. So these shops aren't huge companies at all. They're people like you and I who just got started with a simple idea and a print-on-demand platform. So what I love about this particular hustle is how flexible it is. So you can get quickly set up by simply launching your shop in less than 24 hours on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even TikTok. And it's low risk, no upfront inventory costs mean that you only pay when you make that sale. And the best part about it is you can let your imagination run wild, creating products that you are actually passionate about. And the best part as well is that it's not just for the holidays. Once you get your shop all set up, you can actually transition into a year-round shop with products like birthday cards, planners, or even motivational calendars. So the profit margins for personalized cards are 50 to 70%, making this a highly lucrative opportunity. And with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and TikTok generating millions of monthly visitors already, your products already have built-in exposure, so you don't need to do any advertisement on social media. So to boost your sales even further, you can share your designs on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest if you'd like. And here's a fun fact: 60% of holiday shoppers are finding new products on social media, so it is the greatest way to get noticed without spending ads. When was the last time you saw an ad on TikTok that made you go and buy that product, right? There's actually a hashtag TikTok made me buy it, and that's really huge right now. So if you're ready to start your own online shop, let's just simply recap. So number 1, choose your niche. Number 2, create your designs. Number 3, use Kittl to create designs or even grab their done-for-you templates. Number 4, set up your shop with zero upfront investment, and then promote your products online and let the orders start rolling in. It's as simple as that, and with just a little effort and creativity, you can join the growing number of entrepreneurs who are killing it, earning extra income this holiday season. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and check out all of the links in the description box and launch your shop within just minutes. Let me know in the comments what niche you're excited about, and don't forget to subscribe for even more tips on building your dream side hustle. And wait a minute, that's not all. As a special holiday bonus, I have included a free checklist down below in the description box to help you get started with your shop and running quickly. Happy holidays and happy hustling. I hope to see you guys very soon within the next video.